Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Simplifi by Quicken. First, you'll want to connect all your financial accounts, like bank accounts and credit cards, to get a complete picture of your money. Then, categorize your transactions to ensure everything is tracked accurately. Finally, set up your personalized spending plan to begin managing your finances effectively. Once your accounts are linked, Simplifi helps you master your spending. You can easily monitor your spending against your personalized budget, seeing where your money goes. This allows you to identify areas to reduce unnecessary expenses and save more. Plus, you'll receive helpful alerts if you're approaching or exceeding your spending limits. Simplifi is excellent for helping you achieve your financial goals. You can create specific savings goals, like saving for a down payment or a vacation, and set target dates. The platform then helps you track your progress towards each objective, showing you how close you are. Visualizing your path makes reaching financial success much clearer. Finally, Simplifi provides powerful insights to give you complete financial clarity. You can review detailed reports on your income and expenses, understanding exactly where your money comes from and goes. It also helps you track your net worth over time, giving you a holistic view. This empowers you to make informed financial decisions with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.